You will use this website that most people have no idea exists, and it will beat all of the competition, and then you can create posts and start to make. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get people to DM you every 60 seconds to place an order with you every 60 seconds, which will allow you to earn $8.20 in profit for every sale you make with this particular service that I'm going to show you. The great part about this is that you will not need any money to get started. You could literally have $0 to begin this process. This is also available worldwide, so anyone is able to do this in any country. There are several different payment methods that you can use as well, like PayPal, Bitcoin, or Stripe. You also won't need a website in order to do the strategy. Make sure you follow every single part of this video so you will know exactly how to do this and begin earning money every 60 seconds. This can also turn into a complete full-time business. There are many individuals who do this as their full-time job. I'm going to be showing you several different platforms that are needed for this strategy, so it's very important that you pay close attention all the way until the end of this video. So the first thing I'd like you to do is search into Google Instagram followers. When you do that, you'll find a bunch of different pages or websites that will allow you to purchase a bunch of Instagram followers. But that's not what we're going to do. So I'm just going to click on this link right here. I want to give you an idea of how much it will cost to buy Instagram followers. And I'll explain why I'm showing you this in just a moment. So you can see 1,000 followers costs this much money right here on this website. And then if I go to this website, you can see that 1,000 followers costs this much money right here. So this will give you an idea that $1,000 will range between these two prices, generally speaking. These followers are guaranteed instantly, and these are also high quality followers. And you can see here that there are a bunch of other websites that are selling Instagram followers as well. And again, we are not going to be buying or selling these Instagram followers. I'll be showing you the specific traffic method and strategy that we can construct to make a lot of money every 60 seconds or so. So the next thing we'll need to do is look for a photo editing software that will allow us to build our own offers to earn a lot of money using these followers. So to do this, we're going to use this website called canva.com. This is completely free to use. So I'd like you to search into the search bar Instagram post and then click right here. You'll then just click blank right here. And I know you're probably confused right now, but it will quickly make sense if you just stick with me. So you'll just want to head over to the elements section right here and look for a square. So just click on this square here to add it to our page and then edit it so it looks like a bar up at the top. After that, I'm going to change the color, so I'll just choose this light blue right here. After that, you're going to want to add some text, so just click on text right here and then click on add a heading. So I'm just going to type 1000 right here and then center it and add it to this blue bar that I created. And then I'll add another heading and type in followers just below that. Then I'll add another text right here and write something like $11. And then I'll head back over to this website where it shows how much it costs to get 1,000 followers. And I'm just going to copy and reword the same descriptions that they have right here. So I'll just quickly do that now, and you can spend a little bit more time to make yours more presentable, but I'm just going to do it quickly as an example for this video. Once you've finished creating this, you can then download it to your device. So I'll just click share and then click download right here. So now I'm going to show you what you can do with this photo, and a lot of people have no idea that this process I'm about to show you exists. Whenever a person is looking to purchase Instagram followers, they'll head over to websites like these where they'll pay for this much money or anywhere in between. They're definitely wasting a lot of money that they could be saving. So what you're going to do is take all of that traffic and come in with a much cheaper offer, and you're going to start receiving messages and orders every 60 seconds or so with the traffic method that I'm about to reveal to you. So what most people don't know is that these huge companies on these websites like this one, and then all of these here are purchasing through other suppliers like this website right here. So what I want you to do is go to Google and search SMM panel and then click on this link that says justanotherpanel.com. When you click on it, it should look like this. And then you can click on Instagram and then select Instagram followers right here. And then for quantity, I'm going to put 1,000, and you can see here that it will only cost this much money. That is insanely cheap. You can do more than just 1,000 followers at also insanely cheap prices. So you can see that these other websites are making insanely high profits because it costs so little to actually buy Instagram followers from this website. They're probably getting constant orders on a regular basis because there are obviously millions of people on Instagram who also want more followers. So I'm going to provide you with a traffic method that will allow you to grow more from this and make money from this every day. So if we price our service at $11, we can just subtract this much money on this website from $11 and get this number. This is how much money you'll be able to make per sale, and I'm going to show you how you can get a lot of sales since our pricing is more affordable than these websites here. So what you can do is head over to Instagram and look for pages like this one here called followers_boost_official1, where it says hit the follow and tag a friend and get free followers. So what you can do yourself is create your very own Instagram page, follow as many people as possible, and they will then take a look at your page and see that you are giving away free followers. So you can actually get a bunch of orders. I'm going to show you a platform where you will be able to essentially give free followers to pages that will DM you. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are getting value from this video and would like to watch more videos on how to make money online. So you should create a page similar to this one, and in your description write something like DM us to increase your followers today with a free 15 follower demo and you will get 15 free followers. And then if you head over to this website called plusmein.com and click on the tab that says free services, you can see that there's a free plan where you can receive 15 followers for free. So whenever people DM you, you can actually use this service. You can get paid by PayPal. You'll just need to create a PayPal account. If you don't have PayPal in your country, then you can use cryptocurrency by using a website called coinbase.com. Here you can create a Bitcoin wallet and get paid through Bitcoin. So whenever someone DMs you on Instagram, you can say that your offer of providing 1,000 Instagram followers will cost $11, and you can get paid here through either PayPal or Bitcoin. And as proof that this works, I will send you 15 free followers first to make you feel more secure in your purchase. This will gain more trust in your followers, and it'll get you more sales as a result. So just follow as many people as possible on different accounts like famous celebrity accounts, followers on this account, and more. People will start to follow you back and then see the description in your bio and start to DM you, and you'll begin to make sales. So let's go back to Canva and you can start creating posts like this one here and post them on your Instagram page. You can create posts for other packages as well, like if someone wants to buy 500 followers or 2,000 followers or anything else. And then what you can do is you can also DM people on Instagram asking if they would like 15 free followers as a demo to see if they would like even more followers to purchase from you. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.